What's up, guys? All muscle. We got the donor car up here. She's leaving. We're gonna take a few more things off, obviously here. Get that shell nice and cleaned up, and then we'll take it and get rid of that car. The engine that's sitting here, we haven't tore this one down yet, but we're gonna tear that down and see what the fault is on there. Hopefully, it's a good rebuildable core. You got the keys to that car, or do I have them? I checked already. Alright, I got them right. Yeah. Alright, and then this is the motor, or actually this is the car that received the motor. This is this motor here ended up having 48,000 on it from the red car, and we transplanted it in here. Everything went fairly smooth, except for the only thing that didn't. I don't know if I have one out here anymore, but do you have that those catalytic setups, or did we put them back somewhere? Put them away. Okay. Yeah, the 4 bolts on the H pipe on the catalytics. You know, they come right off the header. There's nuts, and then there's studs coming off of the actual catalytic converter. Those took us a long time. We had to do a lot of maneuvering, and we only got a couple of them off, and then at the end of it all, we just ended up dropping the motor from the bottom of the vehicle complete, and then we just ripped them off once we had the whole thing completely out. But I'm gonna go ahead and fire it right now. Right now what we're doing is we're pulling a vacuum on the air conditioning system. We got a little vacuum pump on here. It's almost ready. We're gonna get ready to charge it up here, so we have some AC. Black car out here in the desert with no AC, that doesn't really fly. But yeah, let me show you this here also. We got to secure a door. We got to find a door. This door here looks like it suffered some damage, and then there's been prior work on it. I see little sanding marks and whatnot from the you know, it doesn't look bad, but some sanding marks that had you know, showed previous signs of some body work there. So we're gonna probably scrap that door and put a new door on it, and then we're missing a rocker. The rocker, whenever this happened here, whatever happened here, obviously tore off the rocker, and so we're missing the rocker. We're gonna have to get a rocker for it. So a door and a rocker on this side, and then we have a little situation here with the front bumper. We'll see what we're gonna do with this front bumper here. I don't think I might try to get that repaired or repair it, but more than likely I can probably pick up a decent used bumper for cheaper money than I can spend time on that. So if you know what I'm saying. But anyways, let me fire it up. It's a 14 GT, by the way, premium pack. Walk you around the rest of the car here. Nice little 5-liter car. It's got the, like I said, it's got the premium pack. Somebody's got the California special wing on there. And then somebody also ended up putting a set of Corsas, the quad tip duals on each side, the quad tip Corsa setup, which is, you know, sounds pretty nice. Let me fire it up here and I'll show you. There we are. So we got the car running there. Let's see if I can focus in. There we go. We don't have any light in here. That's what the deal is. No check engine lights, no SRS lights, nothing like that on the dash. So we're good to go on that. As soon as we get this car smogged, it'll be, and the door fixed there, it'll be ready to go. Ended up getting this car. This is my buddy's car. It just came up. He sent it up here on a flatbed. This is his little, I guess his kid's commuter car that he drives to work or whatnot. And we blew a head gasket on it. So that's what we were talking about on the last video. There's that little baby motor that we're going to be putting in it. So that was a JDM motor. I picked it up here locally. It was I guess, you know, JDM motors, they come from overseas, from Japan, and they typically have 40 to 50,000 miles on them. But we're going to be doing that swap here on this, basically just extracting and pulling it in, putting it in. This thing's looking pretty bad, pretty rough over here. Look at this. That's some great. That's adequate filtration. That's how you get adequate filtration there. This little K&N setup. You got. That's how you maximize your horsepower right there. You just keep the filter on laying off to the side. But anyways, this is just some bullshit on the side, guys. But yeah, let me walk you around here and show you the Corsas. See if you can hear those. Hey, Mike. I don't know how great that is. It's windy. It's always windy out here, guys. If you can't tell, a lot of my videos come out, you know, with the bad sound quality. Hit the gas on this. Let me see if we can get any sound off of this. But anyways, yeah, bad sound quality out here because it's always windy up here in my area. I like the way they sound. They sound pretty good. So.
They sound pretty nice.
Yeah, shut it off. I don't want it to get too warm. I'm gonna be working in this corner here. I don't want it to burn my hands or anything. So I think we're gonna get ready here and put some refrigerant in the system. And this car is gonna be a wrap. Maybe I'll probably do another video on the door here and the rocker once we secure that, and then possibly, you know, a front bumper. We'll figure it out, and then possibly do another video on that and show you guys what she turned out like. But we got a little bit of rain, as you can see. All my cars right now just coated with this little light dust. So we're gonna get those cleaned up hopefully here. I mean, we got plenty of work to do, so you know, whenever we get a chance, we'll clean up this stuff. And I'm really trying to get rid of this car, so I'm probably gonna focus on that here for a little bit, so that way I can have a empty slot here. I need as much space as I can get. So we're gonna get this guy buttoned up here with the refrigerant. We're gonna get that car buttoned up with the new motor, and then we're gonna get this guy scrapped out. So maybe the next time you see me, all three of those things will be done. So we'll check in with you guys on the next one. You guys be cool, stay safe, and I'll see you later.